Hello and welcome to another video of the aeroplane technology series. Today we will learn about some of the main control surfaces used to control the aeroplane. First, let's learn about CG, center of gravity. It is a point in a plane where the aircraft is balanced. The control surfaces are divided into primary and secondary controls. Ailerons, elevators and rudders are the primary controls. Flaps and slats, spoilers, airbrakes are the main secondary controls. Let's start with ailerons. They are used to control the aircraft roll in the longitudinal axis. This means it is used to rotate the aircraft, mainly used for turning in air. There will be one main ailerons on each wing. They operate in opposite direction. If one goes up, the other goes down. This creates an imbalance in the lift in the wing, which means the plane rolls. The ailerons that goes down creates higher lift and that goes up creates lower lift, which rolls the plane. Elevator. Elevators are used to rise and lower the aircraft along its transverse axis. When the elevator is down, it creates a higher lift in the tail section. In turn, makes the nose of the plane go down. And when it's up, a lower lift is generated in the tail section and the nose goes up. They are used in takeoff, landing and varying the altitude. Rudder. Rudder is used to move the aircraft in its yaw axis. Just imagine the elevator in the vertical state. It works the same. It is used to stable the aircraft in air and mainly used to taxiing the aircraft on ground. Now, let's look at flaps and slats, the secondary control. Flaps and slats are used to increase the lift generated in the aircraft. They are mainly used while landing and takeoff at lower speed in the shorter runways. There is a much detailed explanation about flaps working in the previous video. Click the I button if you haven't watched that video and the link is given in the description below. Spoilers and air brakes. You may have seen brakes like this in your bikes, but in the aircraft, these are the brakes. When they are deployed, they disrupt the smooth airflow and decreases the lift generated, so the aircraft slows down. Some aircraft needs to combine these two parts into a one single part, which we see in smaller planes. They are like elevons. Elevators and ailerons combined together. Flaperons. Flaps and ailerons combined. In larger planes, all these controls are controlled by using hydraulic system. How the hydraulic system works is for another video. Aircraft rotate about its center of gravity depending on the axis of rotation. Aircraft changes its direction by making the plane to imbalance and rotate on its axis. If you haven't watched the first two videos, then click the I button to watch and the link is also given in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please like, share, and want to see more contents in aviation, then hit the subscribe button and don't miss to turn on the bell icon.